Hi everyone, in this part I'm going to talk about the precision in MATLAB and how we can increase that precision when we get the results out of MATLAB. So if you had noticed, every calculation in MATLAB is going to be reflected back with 4 digits of precision. So in this part I'm going to show you how we can increase that. Especially in engineering field, there are cases that we're interested in finding the precision in much more detail and just to get a better result. The first item that I want to talk about, we can alter the MATLAB precision through a command called format. And by default, MATLAB's format is format short, which is 4 digits. And I want to show you how we can increase that to 16 digits. The way that we're going to do it is through format. So if I type format space, and instead of short, I type long. And you will notice that the color is also different. Format long. Therefore, what happens if you do that, when you hit enter, nothing has happened. But from now on, MATLAB is going to return the results with more precision. So I'm going to bring back the calculation I just did. And if I hit enter, you will notice that it's now in 16-digit precision. If I say this number multiplied by 889, I'm just making some numbers. You'll notice that now it's in much bigger precision. The way to return back to previous normal calculations is to type format short, which is the default, format short. If I now bring back the calculations that I just did, you'll notice that they're going to be reflected back with 4 precisions. And format makes an important part in MATLAB programming, and I'm going to shortly introduce you to different types of formats. So let me clear things. I will use this as a default, this calculation. So the first one was format short, and now format long. The other thing that is important is format short E. Format short E, which is the scientific notation with 4 decimal digits. And if I calculate it, so if I bring the calculation, you will notice that whenever you want that this E be included into calculation, you just pass the format short E into that and it will bring the results into that format. I'm going to bring the longer, this calculation, and I just wanted to hit enter. You will see that the result will contain E exponent. And as you see, it is in 4 precision. And again, if you wanted to increase that to 16, you will type format long E. Previously, it was format short E. And you will notice that now it is in 16 digit and it is in E format. And there are some other parts like format bank. So format bank will give you the result with 2 digits after the point. So let me bring the other one. So it will always give you with 2 digits after the point. Other forms are format short G, which is for floating point. They're not very important, but I'm going to just introduce you to. So format long G. And it's like that. And when I say they're not important, it doesn't mean that they're really unimportant. They have their own place in calculations and engineering field, but in this course, we're going to stick with short format and as the standard form and a long format and exponent.